Today I'm gonna show you how to make Asian Hoisin Coleslaw. Do you know famous Chinese seasoning named Hoisin sauce? That is fermented soybeans and tastes sweet and mild and good as it is to some extent. So I'm gonna make coleslaw with it today. So let's get started with making the dressing. These are all the ingredients for the dressing: Mayo, hoisin sauce, Sriracha, and sesame oil. I'm using these products, by the way. Just combine all the ingredients and set that aside. When it comes to vegetables, choose your favorite vegetables from here: carrot, cabbage, cucumber, and daikon. I'm gonna use carrot, cabbage, and daikon today. But I guess if you don't live in Asia, it could be hard to find daikon. But don't worry, it's not essential. So I'm gonna chop up my veggies. I finished chopping up the veggies and throw in the veggies in a large bowl and just mix with the dressing. And then do a taste test. If it's too thick, add more veggies. If it's bland, add more dressing. Finish with some spring onion and done. So try that out. Very good. As you could imagine from the ingredients, tastes mild, sweet, and rich, not tangy or sour. I can recommend this salad to anyone, even children who don't like raw vegetables. So please give it a try and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.